Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and give a like and subscribe. If you're coming back, welcome back. If you're checking in on Facebook, welcome to the page. Listen guys, I know it's a really rough time when it comes to the market, and we don't know how long this is going to take because it is an unprecedented time. But at this point, the general stock market is a lot lower. There is an opportunity to invest in a stock that is much lower than its general history has been. And historically, this doesn't happen much. The last time there was a major crash was... So the fact that this hasn't happened historically in a long time gives a ripe opportunity to invest in these stocks at a great price. So today I'm going to go over my current watch list, all the stocks I'm currently monitoring. It's growing as we go on and as this market continues to develop. And we're also going to go over each of those sectors, each of the things that I kind of put in there and the reasons why I put them in there. And we'll go from there.
I'm going to slowly scroll through basically all of my first screenshot stocks of the day. This is what I'm looking at. These are all the ones I'm monitoring, but I'm going to break it down per the general area that I've assigned it as, not necessarily the sector, but just area. So airlines, potential for bankruptcy here is my first worry, just because of how much they own, and just recent reads on them. And I'm being really patient right now. I'm not trying to jump into anything too soon. COVID is still growing. We see how much these airlines have just dropped as of recent. Historically, I mean, we're in unprecedented times. These stocks are showing kind of unprecedented graph features. Not monitoring much for banks. Like I said before, I'll go into later why I'm monitoring these, but some of my favorites in here. Interesting enough, 2 toilet paper stocks that I'm monitoring, one significantly dropping a little bit more than the other as of recent. And yeah, so some consumer goods. Energy's been hit lately. Some stocks. Energy's the one that I'm liking to get into. I made one recently, NEE, but you guys can check that out. And just some financials I've seen significantly drop. I'll be monitoring financials to see if they've made some risky loans assessments here. And just food, my favorites in here, which I'll go in. My favorite stock of the pandemic is in here, which I'll go in at a later date. But just the overall stocks I'm monitoring for the general food sector. Hotels getting slammed right now. Why? Yeah, we all know why. People aren't traveling. COVID is growing. And those are popular stocks. I'm not going to go into their graph, but you guys can monitor that. Seeking Alpha, if I haven't already referred it again, is what I use and what I love because I don't, have to log in anytime. It's just on my page. I'm not trading. It's just a good monitoring tool. A lot of people post on here. You have to pay for it. I like to post for free on here if you want to check out my stuff. Not much. A lot of people are posting obvious shit right now. Just like, oh, the market down, blah, 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 possible bankruptcy. Well, no shit. I digress. Theaters getting hit right now. People aren't out. I mean, I think some people are entering there just thinking it's a good buy. I wouldn't enter so fast. They have real estate they probably have to pay on still. And I'll go back to tech just because. So yeah, these are just kind of what I'm monitoring right now. Like I said before, I will be going specifically over some more insight on these. But yeah, it's what I'm monitoring right now. Stay patient, stay ready, stay calculated, and ready to strike. And I'll jump it back to video.
Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. This is my opinion only. You should always understand the risks of investing.